He sees it.
Yeah, you saw it.
You
You
snap
saw it.
a
Oh,
quick
yeah.
little picture of something, he'll see it.
All right, we'll be out in.
Yeah.
I close both blocks below the window. I close both blinds and turn away. Sometimes solutions aren't so simple.
Round 2, guys. Welcome to episode 1010.1. We got Mr. Noted on the house. We got I forget his name, but Canadian CEO.
Canadian CEO.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
And the shadow of the day will embrace the world in gray, and the sun will set for you. In cards and flowers on your window, your friends all plead for
Yeah, we're pretty good.
you to stay. Sometimes beginnings aren't so simple. Sometimes goodbye's the only way. Oh, and the sun will set for you. The sun will set for you. And the shadow of the day will embrace the world in gray, and the sun will set for you.
Nice jam, dude.
And the shadow of the day will embrace
Welcome, guys.
the
Welcome.
world in gray.
What's up, everybody?
We're rocking out
Thank you so
here,
much
man.
for joining. Yeah, we rock out over here, man.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to get to a decent level so we can still hear each other. There we go. What's up? We got Sweet Trade Pros in his house. How you guys doing today?
Yeah, good, man. Well, I got to thank you for your support, and you're always there for our
anytime,
VIPs. You're always
yeah.
there checking out the VIPs, and so
yeah.
it's exciting to
I got
be
mad
on your
love for this
show.
guy right here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's very rare we do 2 streams in one day. We had a meeting, so we had to cut it, and then we came back. So appreciate your patience.
Yeah, man.
Cool. I saw you coming into our chat earlier. I was like, "Who's this Canadian CEO? Is he going to try and shill? Is he going to try and shill us something?"
Sounds like it, right? Canadian CEO. What else is he going to do?
Yeah.
By the way, Shane, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I really like your drip setup there. The way you have your wallet set up with the each day. You got each day on when you select your account.
Oh,
or is that
you're talking about
you, Chris?
Yeah,
that's Chris who has that.
Oh, that's Chris. Yeah, the way you have each day where you're compounding or you're claiming.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah,
so
that's
he
good.
never
Yeah,
gets confused.
Yeah, so it's just basically so each account gets like a 60% compound on it, but I'm still making money every day. As the price goes up, I can make more and more money every day. So at least yeah, it's cool. It works. I like it. So
it's good for keeping track of it, man. I'm using spreadsheets and stuff like that. It's
Yeah,
a waste
right.
of time.
For sure. So what's up, Node? You gonna do some TA for us? What we got? What's going
Yeah,
on?
Is
well,
Drip
I
gonna
will.
pump, bro?
Drip is
Marcus
gonna
looking
pump.
better, right?
Drip is gonna pump.
We
Drip
need
is
a
gonna
drip
pump.
pump finally, man.
It's ready. I'll share this real fast, and then we'll get into some rapid fire stuff, and yeah, man.
Evan, you did warn him what you're getting him into, bringing him on this stream.
No, I didn't. I want him to be completely surprised.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bro, this isn't the Swing Trade Pros channel. This is the DJ Protocol channel. Anything goes here.
Not anything. Like if Mad Dog tries to convince you to put your wiener in the same vagina as him, don't do it.
Oh my god.
I'll remember that one.
That doesn't go here. It goes around our group, but not here.
Oh yeah, definitely. You guys chill the shit out of your STP shit, by the way.
Yeah, we will cross for sure. We'll talk about rapid fire.
All right, so Drip is in one of the craziest squeezes definitely in the crypto space right now. It's
Nice.
It's one of the craziest squeezes I've seen. It's in a 2 weeks. Look at the 2 week squeeze here. We got 2 early buy dots right here. Bollinger Bands are really tight down here. This is really like a super, super low risk place to buy an asset.
Yeah.
You know, obviously we know that it may not respect the whole wedge structure because of the inherent inflation with this coin. So there's that.
Yep.
But yeah, I mean, you can see we've done a 200% retracement from this swing high, the all-time high.
Yeah.
All right. So even if we just get a normal deviation back to the average, which is at this point the average is like 62 cents, which is a 3x from here.
Yeah.
And then I would say that your real long-term swing target is probably just the 3-day 50-day moving average, which is like I don't know, $4 or something. So yeah, I think $4 is a feasible target if Bitcoin can get to 40-50K by the end of the year. So I think that's possible.
We ever gonna see $100 on this thing again?
Probably not.
No.
It depends.
People selling the hell out of it, right?
It just depends on what they do with the structure of the token. If they burn tokens, then
they're working on that, but
that's what Drip Drop Jaw's for. It's supposed to burn shit out of it.
I heard there's issues. I heard there's issues with the liquidity on Drip. Like, are they going to run out of liquidity at some point there on Drip?
I don't think so. I don't think
what Forex Shark says is that you're going to reach max claimed for all these accounts, right? So that's going to cause it to have deflationary things. I don't know.
Miss Franco says if Drip goes to $4, I'll jerk a horse off.
That's Ryan, right? That's Ryan, right? That's our boy Ryan. Yeah,
I'll probably suck a horse off, but
whoa, dude! Let me tell you guys, there's a video called "Death by Horsecock." Look it up, and you will not go anywhere near.
I am not going to look that up.
Mr. Hans.
Yeah, you already know who he is. I see.
Yeah.
So our first test is going to be this 24-cent area here on Drip, and then if we can get above that, it's literally going to be just straight to the 1618 fib extension, which is 82 cents. So if we can reclaim this area here as support, then we can get up here. So yeah, I mean that's I would say hopefully it does that, right? We got 2 week bullish divergence. That's significant. It's made the lowest low it's ever seen, and but if you look at the selling, you can see that the pressure. I bought in this 26-cent region, 27-cent region. So yeah, I mean, but if you look at the steepness of the selling, like this was steep, right? This is less. Yeah. This is even less, right? So you'll see. I mean, if the selling pressure really gives here, then we can get a pop. All right. So and the divergence is telling us that story right now, and stochastics are pointing up on the 3-day chart, and everything is looking pretty good. 4-day chart just crossed up. I mean, that's going to be a significant momentum shift. Even though last time we had an oscillation like that, it was like just this move right here, which was a 40% move. But if this is truly the bottom, it's going to be more than a 40% move.
Yeah.
Out the gate. So yeah.
That's good.
So that's your Drip.
Yeah. I got a question for you guys. I'm just compounding. Am I doing that? Am I doing that wrong? Am I going to
fine, dude. I would be
Yeah.
compounding the fuck out of it right now if I didn't need
Yeah,
to.
I
That's what
don't.
I'm
I don't
doing.
really want to claim when it's so low, right?
No, I don't. I'm not going to claim till my wallet's maxed out, and then I'll start claiming.
Yeah, that was my plan. Wait till max out and then go
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah, dude,
Exactly.
I claimed. I mean, I compounded through like all the good times when everyone was making money. I was just compounding away.
Yeah.
No, no.
You guys are gonna love drip, and it doesn't even have to go to $100 from here. Like honestly, because we started off, it was like the lowest it got when I jumped in was like I threw 20,000 at like 3. We got it on my stream somewhere when I did the wiffle dig dummy move. I threw in 20,000 at like 390 or something like that, or 349 or some shit, and it went all the way up to 160. I had a $3 million in that account, paying like 30,000 a day. I think we
Wow.
can get that.
Yeah.
We can get back there today again. You know, it's just gonna take.
You're crazy.
But it's not
You
going to
can't
take
get
that much price action to get there again, you know. So
Yeah.
because now we're at a fraction of the price that it was at, so it only would have to go to what, maybe $20 to get back to there. or
Yeah,
something?
but we have
Mhm.
what, like 200 times the supply now or some
Yeah.
shit.
It was like 100. It was like
Mm.
fuck. It ended up being like 100x. I was at. Dude. It was
So
crazy.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
Because there was like only I think like
Yeah.
what was it, like 20 to 30,000 available in
Yeah.
the vault or some shit.
Yeah.
Now we've got, what's the supply now out there, like 20 something million,
Mhm.
Yeah.
just to get
Yeah,
back over a dollar.
There's a lot more supply. Yes, there's a lot more supply.
Yeah,
So-
it would have to burn over 50% of the current supply to get, or about 50% to get back over a dollar.
Yeah.
Well, then from there is when it goes up quick.
Like the crazy thing about drip is like even at the top, like if you bought the top and you just compounded the whole way down, you would still be even. You know, you'd still be good.
Mhm.
You'd be in the game.
No, ask fucking Johnny Blaze. He bought somewhere near the top.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but you just do the math. 100. I mean, if you're doing it 1% a day, it's been fucking the amount of days that it was going down. You're still even basically or up.
Mhm.
Yeah.
yeah, man. I think we're gonna be good. The charts are saying something brewing,
Yeah.
and
It's a crazy squeeze.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Mhm.
I
It's
think
crazy.
at
It's
the
crazy.
moment he launches shit, he pushes that button. That's it. As soon as we see that timer go off on the DDD site, that's it.
Isn't wasn't Forex a trader? Forex
Mhm.
shark? He's a trader.
Yeah,
right?
supposedly
he
he's
is a
like,
trader. He
he's
trades
in the
Forex
top
and,
3 usually on Bybit. Like he was number 1.
Yeah.
At least he showed, like he showed his screenshot when he made number 1, saying,
Wow.
"Look,
Yeah.
I'm number 1."
So there you
Yeah,
go.
he's had
man.
$1 million trades.
So he knows about the squeeze.
Oh yeah.
Probably
All right, cool.
loading
No,
up.
he knows what's happening. I guarantee.
I mean, you can see the volume. You can see the buys coming in down here. Like you haven't seen volume like that on Drip ever. Look,
Yeah.
look at these buys.
Yeah, look at that volume.
Look
Yeah.
at these buys. Look at these buys.
Yeah.
So someone's buying down here for sure.
Yep.
Someone's buying down here.
Yep.
It's probably wannabe
Yeah,
whale.
it's crazy.
Wannabe whales, yeah.
I can't do him right now. I'm not on that computer.
Oh, okay.
All right. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, and then we'll get into some bot stuff.
Nice.
Bots. Yeah, nice.
All right. So Bitcoin today actually I would call this just a back test for now. Right. We broke down out of this range here, and we basically just retested it, or pretty close to retested it. So we'll see if we get follow through on this retest. We could pop back into this range.
Yeah.
And the daily right now, stochastics are ticked up nicely. So I think we could see some fireworks, right? The Fed meeting today was expected, right? 25% rate or 0.25.
Oh, we got inflation. More inflation.
Yeah, we got more inflation. That means Bitcoin should jump. Right? This was this was, in my opinion, this is a buy the news event because
Nice.
the market
Love it.
knows that after all these raises, that this is actually working and helping inflation go down, supposedly. So for the market, they're like, all right, yeah, we'll just keep buying the news then. They're not raising it that much. They're going to eventually ease off the gas on the raising, and then they're going to let this market rip for the next year or two. And that's exactly what we're projecting. So
Dope. I love it.
sounds good to me. And all these friggin' altcoins are set up in major structures. on weekly and monthly charts. So yeah, this is like trader's dream type of market right now at these bottoms for a lot of these coins.
Wedge breakouts all over the place.
Yeah, wedge breakouts everywhere, right? Like Solana breaking the wedge. We called it Solana last night on the live stream, right? That thing broke out. Yeah, man. There's so many charts right now. Here's the wedge break on Solana. Beautiful, right? Just right out of there, man. Yeah, just no problem. Yeah. Chainlink. I know, Alex, you're a big Chainlink guy, right? Yeah, man. Chainlink wedge break. Boom. Yeah. See you later. Look at this wedge
Compound
break.
A nice move too, right?
Compound, right? Compound's in a weekly wedge that broke out. We called that down at like what, $40 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Major wedge structure break. Right there it is.
Wow.
Beautiful. Look at the volume on that confirmation on the breakout. Beautiful. Okay, man. Yeah, man. I mean, like
it's too fucking easy, man. It's like you said, candy from a baby. These wedges, man.
And the Doge triangle, man. Right? Like breakout on the triangle here. This is a major pattern for Dogecoin. Yeah, this is a multi-year
just
pattern.
Getting started.
Just starting on the move. Yeah, just starting on the move. Look, so the weekly just crossing up, man. You haven't seen positive momentum on Dogecoin since May. So it's been a couple months since you've even seen any positive momentum at all coming into the asset. So big move coming there for Doge. ADX just crossed bullish on the weekly. I mean, dude, this thing is gonna rip, man. This thing is gonna rip tits. For sure. Elon Musk rebranded Twitter, right? They called it X now. Now he's going to start talking about Dogecoin, and this is where he's going to start talking about at the bottom of the pattern, right, for the breakout. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Listen, I mean, it's all. The whole narrative makes sense. Like the chart has been. I said that. I think before it started breaking out, I told you that Elon's going to tweet right to catalyze the breakout of this pattern. 100,000%. It's all planned. All this shit's planned based on what they see on the chart. Because I'm sure Elon trades too, or he has people that trade for him. Whatever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I think it's
regulations in crypto. He can do all the insider shit he wants.
This is a beautiful triangle, guys. You guys know the measured move on this is like something crazy, right? This is like
dude.
Yeah, this is
a get you rich coin right here.
This is a 942% measured move breakout. This is what this is.
10x leverage. Let's go.
So typically, you would think that this goes, probably half the move, 500%, probably to the 618, which is like 25 cents from here, and I even have that drawn out. I mean, I have it up to the 50% retracement level, but yeah, eventually it gets to the top of the pattern.
I don't know. I remember your SHIB chart from last cycle. You didn't call it high enough, right? It wasn't.
Yeah, SHIB's looking good too, man. Yeah, let's talk about SHIB.
It's gonna go a long way, man.
SHIB is in a monster pattern. This is
my God.
This is a monster pattern on SHIB coin, man. Sick. Same pattern.
Woo! So wrecked.
This is a descending triangle, right? But the descending triangle breaks to the upside about 57% of the time. 676%. I don't think this is all the data on SHIB. I really don't. I used to use a different chart. I just forget what chart I actually had it on. This is definitely not all the data on SHIB. It's not.
It's not.
I know it's not. Shiba. Does Coinbase have more data? Yeah, not. There was a big move. There was a big leg before this move. I remember on SHIB.
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah.
Yeah, there was. It's not on these charts. Huh.
Bitfinex?
Could be.
No.
Yeah, not at all.
Is that it? No.
Oh. No. I don't know who's got the data on this thing. Yeah, this is pretty good.
That's it. Yeah, because I was that back in 2021?
Yeah, but there was like a big move down first before this fucking thing happened.
I know what you're saying. Yeah, I thought I saw that too.
Because like I remember charting it, or I remember looking at it, and that's how I identified the pattern. It was just such a big setup. It went straight down, so I was like, it's just gonna go straight up, and that's exactly what it did. Just did like a 10x or something from the bottom. So 10x from this bottom is easily achievable for Dogecoin, and probably SHIB coin down here. And SHIB coin.
The meme coin, baby.
Oh yeah, how's Mung coin doing? How's that thing doing?
I haven't looked at it in a little bit, but I thought it was coming. What'd you get, Mung?
The Hmong army is strong, man. They have a big community.
I mean,
Oh, yeah,
it's holding against ETH here, the 38.2% retracement level. That's still a bullish area where it could find a reversal.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just chilling on this range. I think it's okay.
I think it's gonna take off, dude.
Yeah, with these
You got-
meme coins, you want to see strong support,
You
right? You
gotta
don't want to
see
see keep going down and down. That's not what you want to go into.
Yeah, it's
You
still
got
got
a
a lot of
nice-
liquidity too. So
Mhm.
You got a nice squeeze here. All right. So yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Nice.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, keep the chat open for any other requests, but let's let Alex take it away with some.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Cross wants to see some stuff here. Let me get to present.
Yeah. It's your talking about the rapid fire, is that what we call it?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Let me see what we can do here. Oh, here we go.
So this is completely different than Wick Hunter or anything you guys tried like in the first cycle. I remember a lot of you guys got wrecked on Wick Hunter. Yeah, because
That's what got me out of trading for so long, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no.
overall still ended up ahead by the end of Wick Hunter,
where did
but
Chris go?
Oh, did we lose Chris?
Yeah.
fuck him. Don't worry, we don't need him. Damn it.
There he
I hit
is.
I hit the wrong button.
Oh,
Sorry.
no. Yeah. no,
That's what got me out of trading for
Yeah.
a while because I lost like 60K
Yeah.
in one.
Well, you know,
Wow.
counter trading is a risky business, right? You're when you're taking shorts when price is pumping,
Yeah.
that's the worst feeling in the world.
That was
right?
the problem.
I'm-
It was
yeah.
placing. It was doing long positions at the top of the market. I didn't really know what we were doing. You know, we thought it was just going to keep going up, but no, we were at the top. We didn't know. So,
Yeah. So that's the whole thing with rapid fire is last month we came out with STP reversal, which is our new swing bot, which is just so good at calling those longs and those tops. Right, you get these really good swing ranges where you're not getting those longs in the middle of a pump where you're just stressing through a pump. Right, that's the worst thing. You want to be celebrating a pump, right? You want to be catching that price action, not getting screwed and watching your account lick. So exactly. So that's what we're all about here. So this is rapid fire is basically built off of our new swing bot. So you get way better swing ranges to scalp. And so rapid fire is all about scalping. And I know so it starts the reversal starting the longs here, right? The swing long. And then rapid fire is scalping all the way up. Now I got to go into degen mode here. Remember, Chris, we were talking about this during our VIP.
DJ mode.
This is not degen mode. This is too safe for degen protocol right here. So what you do, you break down this drop threshold, right? Let's start with a 5, right? We start to bring in some more trades here. We'll go to maybe a 3, right? Bring in some more trades. 2. So we start to bring in like way more trades. You're scalping the hell out of this thing, right?
Okay.
I mean, you can even go to a 1, but basically, right? Like
That's
you
too
can
many
go,
trades.
it's so many. Right, but this drop threshold is basically looking at how much price is gone against whatever trend you're in. So long,
it's deviations, right? It's deviations,
So if it's gone 2% against you, it's going to start trading again. So you can see here, right? Pump, you're grabbing lots of price action there. Go ahead.
So know what you can do if you want to use the drop threshold deviation. So what you should do is zoom out on your charts and put Fibonacci levels on your charts. And then you can really determine, if an asset's range bound, maybe you do want to drop your threshold because it's just ranging, right? And then when it does break the range, you're going to catch that whole range break because you've set your threshold lower.
Exactly.
So I think that's how you really calculate, changing that drop threshold. Like if it's an asset that you're not really familiar with and you don't really know how it moves, you probably don't want to be, dropping.
Yeah, you're going to want a 10, right? You're going to want a 10.
Yeah, you're going to want to trade it safer and see how the bot reacts to those ranges. And but if you understand how the asset's trading in its ranges, then you can mess around with that stuff. Oh, I think it's going to break out. It's in a node squeeze on the 4-hour chart. It's in a falling wedge pattern. We're about to break this range. Let's drop the threshold and take lots of trades on this move, right? And so that's kind of the beauty, I think, of that particular setting, because you can go degen mode with that thing, and if you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money doing it.
Yeah, if you know the market's pumping, then you can really dial it in. I mean, so we have some people who are like, they're going to go in, they're going to change the alerts, and that's where you're going to want to do that. And sometimes, if you want to be able to set it for forget a little bit, and you can have a higher drop threshold and go a little bit lower risk, and that's fine. But we're talking about DGEM protocol. If Node makes a call, you're going to want to bring that drop threshold down to 2, right? You want to grab that price action, and you can see, right, as soon as we reverse like this, like you guys know, right, on the 13th, like we just had these crazy pumps, right? It was mental. This is the first day I was running rapid fire testing, and we did like 6% on the day on rapid fire, just with 8 pairs running, and it was.
Pull up Matic right now. It's about to break out of its wedge. Speaking of that,
yeah, well, well, everything's breaking out. Everything's breaking.
15-minute chart. 15-minute chart on Matic right now. Let's go. This thing is
just throw a dart. You're gonna make money.
Yeah, but let's see it in live action, right? It's about to do it. So we're about to break. We're about to break the wedge. That's a major wedge structure on a 4-hour chart, and so beautiful.
Yeah. Well, I had this set to SNX, man. I wanted to talk about SNX.
Oh, SNX,
my favorite shit coin.
Hey man,
I know this thing fucking moves, dude.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Probably moves so good with the bot.
Look at this. Exactly. Look at this, right? This pump here.
Beautiful.
That is sick, right? Like that is so many trades, and you're shorting all the way down, and then it's just going mental. So that's what I like about rapid fire, right? You can have it running in the background. You can be going about your day, and if there's a nice pump happening, it's going to grab it. You don't need to be watching your charts. It's gonna take care of it on its own. So it's pretty nice.
We should set one up, Chris, and we'll show P&L on the channel.
Yeah, I would love to.
Good. I want to actually.
What are they? Do you have it? What's it? Is it running on a VPS so that way it's just running 24/7?
No.
So,
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I don't ever shut it down for sure.
What you're saying? This thing's just a straight fucking 24-hour money printer. Is that what you're saying? Wow.
Yeah. So I can show you here. So this is on Profit Trailer. Profit Trailer is my favorite. Like if you guys can get, it's a bit more technical to set up. Like VPS and all that. What we're saying, but like the profits coming. This is on a 10K account, right? This paper. This is paper account.
This is paper trading, but it's fine.
Yeah.
But it's like this is that pump day, right? It's doing 4.76%, and then just like when you have a good pump day, it's going to get it. But then on short days, it's also going to capture that, right? You get it both directions. And it's just capturing all that price action on its own, right? And I really like on the short side, it's very consistent, right? It's getting actually more consistent results than on longs for some reason. Wow. I don't know why, but because when you get a nice pump, there's always retracement, right? It's always going to go back down
because it's a methodical retracement. It's usually
it always happens, right?
20-30% corrections after like a big move up, and
go to the 886, the 618, right?
Yep.
And so reversal's catching that, it's flipping short, and it's getting that after action. So you're not just getting the pump, you're getting what happened after. So I really like that side of it as well.
Does it ever take any losing trades, or does it?
Yeah, so that's the beautiful thing about. I'll show you on the longs. Like with Profit Trailer, you can use something called EQ. So if something does bag up, it will it doesn't wait until you're at take profit, from your original entry. It's gonna basically there's a nice chart I can show you guys on this. But basically, as soon as it starts to retrace, even if it's dumped like 10-20%, as soon as it starts to retrace, that DCA is automatically selling off. So you're already making profit as price starts coming back towards your entry. And like right now I have it set up to like 90% sell off. And so like you can see here, like I made a couple grand, in the last, 10 days of trading, whatever it is, but it's all, but also $577 of that EQ profit. So it's selling off bags as they accumulate. So it really reduces risk. So
show them how it works. I don't think they understand what EQ means. So EQ stands for equilibrium. So basically let's just say your bot takes a trade, right? And the asset starts going against your position, right? What it does is after a certain percentage, it starts dollar cost averaging that position. So like it's buying lower, right? It's using more capital to buy lower. But what happens is as the price retraces, it's selling the dollar cost average position.
Yeah, so this is what we're talking about. So this is your first buy, right? And then it will DCA. And so normally you'd have to wait until you get back to break even and then you take profit before it's going to sell. With EQ, it's going to scale out as price comes back, scales out. You take your second DCA, right? It's going to scale out of that position as soon as price retraces. So you're automatically risking off as price comes back, instead of waiting until you get way back
So you
up
don't
here.
need a big move
Yeah.
to get out of the entire position, right?
Mhm.
You're making
And
money
so-
as it's happening.
Yeah, and so holding a bag is actually profitable, which is pretty cool. And then once it does scale out, right, you could see the break even price every time you scale out. Break even price is coming down. So you get out much faster as well. So this is like revolutionary. As soon as I saw this, I'm like, forget it, 3 commas, Wick Hunter. I'm moving to Profit Trailer. We still support them, but yeah, I'm all about that. And in our bots, we actually make it super easy. So when you want to set up, like, you can choose your 3 commas, Wick Hunter, Profit Trailer, and so like for me, Profit Trailer. Then you put in your email token, your long bot, short bot, and then you only need to create one alert, and it's going to fire off. You're all basically everything that you need in a simple alert. You don't need to learn how to do all the JSON code, all that crap, right? It's just going to automatically do that when you set up an alert. So it makes it way easier. That's our STP community is all about automation. That we did a vote about what's the top priority, and first thing was automation, right? Make this easier, make this easier to set up. So that's what we did for sure.
Okay.
But yeah, so we could check out another chart here. I like this link chart. So again, not degen mode, right? It's good, right? We're grabbing some longs, shorting, but I want to see some degen. So let's try out a 2, go into degen mode. There you go, right? So this is on a 15. So basically, as price is moving with your trend, like if it's long, then it's going to take a trade every 15 minutes because you're on the 15-minute chart. So it's just when you have a top like this, right? You catch the pump, but then this is why we are seeing such good profits on the shorts, because once it detects that short, this is a pretty low risk trade. If you can grab the exact top of a move, that is the perfect place to lean in, to take more, to put on the risk. Right, I don't want to be grabbing shorts down here. Right, I don't want. That's the worst place. Right, when the move is done, forget it. I want to grab it at the top. So yeah, that's what it's all about. Is having a good swing indicator. In this case, STP reversal, bringing in those, taking those trades as soon as price reverses, and it does really well. And so I think the big thing, this is super easy to set up, especially on something like ETH. We just have these long beginner risk settings, short beginner risk settings. So it's as simple as, if you want to have low risk on longs, you just go 1. If you want to be high risk on longs and take more trades on longs, you just go to 10. That's all it is. You don't need to mess around. Like, I got all the advanced settings there. You can deal with MFI, ADX,
no messing with the
HMA,
VWAPs and all that shit.
Exactly, right? It's like a headache, right? Especially like, even if you're an advanced user and you want to take those trades, you want to get to a new pair quickly, right? I want to set up 8 pairs. I don't have to spend an hour on each pair. Forget it, right? You move on to the next one.
Right.
So that's what this is all about. So a 1-1 setup on ETH, is really good, right? It grabs look how good those reversals are. But if you want to start dialing it in, right, you get some more longs, right? You can, right? And what I like is that the default, especially on BTC and ETH, it's very good. But yeah, it's just long settings 1 to 10, short settings 1 to 10. Makes it super, super, super easy. So yeah, I don't know. Do you guys want to check out some other charts here? What are we calling out there, Node?
I'm still liking Matic 4-hour hammer candle printing right now.
Set up Matic.
I mean,
Oh, Matt-
I'm also in a trade on it, so sure I'd love to.
Oh,
lock it.
okay. Yeah, so Matic is it's just like super long. Yeah, even from here it went really long. So I would say we need a bit more short going on there. Yeah. Oh, it still wants to take it, right? It's
Bro,
very bullish.
this
on
is
this,
in a
so-
this is in a 4
Yeah.
hour squeeze, man.
All right.
Yeah, like the
yeah,
dailies
we
have
go into
crossed up.
degen mode, right?
Drop that threshold a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah. And so it's grabbing that move for sure.
it's gonna be a major move.
And yeah. So it's looking good. I mean, you can really get this really grabbing the price action.
How's Solana looking? That broke out of the wedge. Also,
Stall is crazy, man. Oh, actually, it's shorting up here. I don't know. Watch out.
That's the top of the range. That's the top of a range. Yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't go too heavy up here on the logs. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. So what I like about it is it's really grabbing a lot of longs down there.
Yeah.
And of course
Looks like
we
it
have
grabs
it.
him,
Yeah.
grabs him by the pussy. Love it.
Yep.
As long as it's by the pussy and not the horse dick.
You call it Trump butt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
As long as it's not by the horse cock. I ain't trying to die.
No. Yeah, there you go. That's what I had MFI filtering on. Now that's what you want to see. Right? This is some nice pumps here. And then it's grabbing the shorts up there. So you're not only are you grabbing the move, you're grabbing some shorts at the top there, adding to your profits. And I mean that's the thing, right? You look at these, right? Every day, if you got a 10K account, right? I'm doing $100, $200, $300, $400 on longs, and same thing with shorts, right? $400, $150. So you're making $300, maybe $500 a day on a 10K account. That's enough to live off of, right? You can make a pretty decent living just having that running in the background. And that's like I remember when I first started with the bots, and I would see the trades coming through, and I'd just be chilling, with my kid, living my life and seeing the profits come in. That's what it's all about, man. You can step away and still make some decent coin, and then take the degen trades, right? Go long on Mong when it's time, or whatever it is. Yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, that's rapid fire.
That's cool.
Do you want to?
Yeah. What? Get together sometime to set this up. Not at all.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, you might want to. I'll be there, but Alex is the guy.
Yeah, I'll show
okay.
you guys. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I don't know anything about it, so.
Yeah, no, it's good fun. Definitely, if you can, profit trailer though with the EQ. Like I said,
you have to set up
this
a VPS
is a revolution.
and stuff, like you have to set up.
Yeah,
all those,
yeah, you
like
do.
Like
Yeah.
you did with Wick Hunter, kind of. Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing about profit trailer. It's a bit more to set up, right? But I think they do offer like hosting. If you go to profit trailer, they do like cloud hosting. So
really?
so you can so you can go that way. You don't need to run a VPS. It's like a little bit easier to set up that way.
Okay.
But yeah, other than that, I mean, we do run in 3 commas and Wick Hunter. But definitely Landscraper. It's definitely available. Yeah, we got it on the Swing Trade Pros. You just go to your subscription page. And we got rapid fire. Yeah.
Oh,
so
cool.
it is available.
$97 a month. Cool.
Yeah, we just launched on Monday, so this is like
cool.
as new as it
brand
gets.
New.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
I love your fucking site, dude. It's all pro as shit, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Who sets up the
I don't know.
website for you guys? Did you guys build it yourself, or you had somebody?
We have a gentleman that helps us with the.
Yeah,
with the
nice,
site.
Cool. No, he does a really good job. Looks really good.
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah. Yeah, Noah is always like, oh, it needs to be better. Need to optimize it, the SEO and all that.
Yeah, because we need to drive traffic to it, right? So, but like that's the whole thing. We need to. Yeah, so we don't really obviously spend money much on marketing, so that's where we lack. But We're a hidden gem. We're definitely a hidden gem in this space, so nobody really knows about us because we don't
We
market.
know.
You
That's
guys
why we
know.
have you on here.
Yeah, well, the main thing we've done is we offer signals on 3 commas and a few other platforms, and that's how
Cool.
people discover us, right? They like our signals. It's easy to set up, right? And then
Yep.
once you discover the signals, then you're going to be like, well, I want this other pair, right? I want to use this different exchange, and then you come in and,
Okay.
and you can get the indicator,
So,
set it up
so
yourself with whatever
are you
pairs
the
you want.
you're the head guy of STP? You're the head.
Oh,
of
well,
the
it's
team,
the
or
3 partners, 3 of us,
Oh,
but
okay,
I
yeah.
do the bots. I do the bots.
Okay.
Notice the TA, the trading master.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys are all just kind of you guys are together then. Cool.
Yeah, I mean we have like a couple different businesses within our business, so to speak. So
Nice.
Yeah. It's sort of half and half, right? The trading with live trading with Node, right? And so
Yep.
we have the alert service there, and then we have the bots side. So I do all the bot development.
How long have you been trading yourself?
I actually was I came to be through STP like back in 2000 or 2020 during COVID. I discovered
damn.
Rapid Fire like almost 4 years ago, right? Rapid Fire's been around for 4 years, and so this is like the new version. I'm always constantly innovating and making it better, because before, like this used to run off our old buy and sell indicator, and it would basically swing short after a move would be already done, right? And you'd be like, I just missed the whole move. So this is like so much better. But yeah, so I discovered I started with Rapid Fire. That's like the 1% a day kind of thing back back when we were doing it originally, and then we came out with SAR. And we started to get insane profits. It was like, we got Tough Octopus doing 2K to 100K in 28 days. We got Alpha doing 100% in 3 days. That was back during the bull run, right? I mean,
and this is even
insane
better.
Lev,
Yeah, Black Sheep used the SAR bot.
So this is better than
Black Sheep
SAR.
used the SAR
Like
bot.
this puts SAR to shame, you think, or?
I mean,
SAR
SAR trades on the 1 minute, right? So you can, if you want to, be way more profitable with it. This is like easier to set up, lower risk, right? All those things, right? You can just let this go, and you don't need like SAR is
for like
for more advanced users.
super advanced bot users for sure.
Yeah.
Like I don't mess with SAR. Like I don't even run Rapid Fire.
Yeah.
I don't mess with bots. So like that's why Alex does what he does, because
it's my deal.
Yeah, my problem with when I was running SAR, that was the last because I went from Woodcounter, tried out SAR for a little bit, and then I just went straight into drip, and that was probably the best move I made at that point. But
if you went in the right time, right? Yeah.
SAR was getting stuck in trades, like it was like it was getting stuck in longs or shorts, and it was going the wrong way, and I was just like, fuck, I don't know what I'm doing here.
And we all had PTSD from fucking Woodcounter just during that time.
So the thing about SAR version 5, like it's a major update to it. This is the automation thing, right? It uses a whole bunch of different time frames to detect the market trend, right? And so it will automatically change its own settings as the market changes. And so this is really like a whole other level, right? So you have like your long higher, long degen as price moves up. You can see it switches long higher here as price is moving up on ETH. And so I can choose how much I want to dial it in, right? If I want to go degen when price is in a higher setting, let me just make sure it's all set up for that. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, so I can get it to get more trades. You can see it's taking more trades now on there. So basically, when it's lower, right? When price is more, it hasn't. It's not a clear defined trend, right? You can have it risk off, long, lower. So and you can it's just a matter of turning off divs, turning on and off ADX on each one of these, right? So it's a lot more automated. So it's more like set up the alert, and then you don't need to go and mess with that alert as the market changes. So Landscraper, like I was saying, right? The Rapid Fire bot, right? this is going to be super easy to set up with your long bots. Just 1 through 10 longs, 1 through 10 on shorts, and that's basically choosing your risk setting. So super easy there. When you get into
Also,
SAR,
the drop
there's
threshold
more involved.
on rapid
Yeah.
fire. There's basically 3 things you want to mess with: the drop threshold,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the long and short. From what
Yeah,
I'm seeing.
yeah. I don't usually say drop threshold when I'm talking about beginners, but if you're on DGen protocol and you want to dial it in, definitely do the drop threshold. Yeah, and then SAR, yeah, it takes a bit more, right? You gotta figure out what all these different things are. But I did make something that makes it easier. So we got the global strategy setting, right? And we have four different strategies. So you can go default trend strategy, DGen trend. See, there's not too many trades there, right? I go DGen trend strategy. It's gonna give a few more trades there, right? Boom. Okay. And then we have the meat strategy, which is basically instead of taking all your trades as a move is basically finished topping out, right? It's always DGen, right? When the move is topping out like this, right? You see longs topping out right here. If you want to go meat strategy, it basically grabs the beginning of a move and it will lean in at the beginning of the move and then risk off as the move continues. So that's meat strategy. So basically you do that, you change these settings, and that and to enable this, it's taking over all these settings, right? You don't need to mess with any of that stuff. This is just doing it all. So yeah, if you're new to bots, you can use these automated settings, but obviously it's the best thing is to be able to learn it and do the settings yourself, right? Dial it in per pair and all that. But if you're starting out, yeah, you can do that. So yeah, short answer is you can. It can be difficult if you want it to be, but if you're using the right indicator, right bot, and you got these easy settings, either 1 through 10 or the default settings, yeah, it's not so bad.
Nice.
Oh, David is asking, is 3 comma safe now? Right? They had a big hack thing that happened. Right? People's APIs were getting hacked, and basically,
oh wow,
yeah. So what the hackers were doing, like, they couldn't steal your funds because people don't authorize. So what they would do is they'd pump a coin.
Your trades?
Oh yeah. No, what they would do is they'd pump a coin. They'd have like, I don't know, 100,000 3 commas accounts that they're hacked into, and they would just load into a pair, and then they'd obviously sell it off and dump the thing. So yeah, that happened to 3 commas. What was it? Maybe like a year ago. It was a while ago. Yeah. So they had all this stuff, right? Third party audit stuff and super security overhauls and all that. So there's always a risk with anything.
It's a big name in the space too.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, so they took it really seriously. So yeah, I mean, they say it's better now, right? You haven't heard of any hacks lately, so am I going to say there's never going to be a hack again? I mean, once a hack, you're never going to 100% trust something. So yeah, I mean, the safest thing is run your own VPS, so that like a profit trailer, that kind of thing, right? That would probably be the safest way to do it, right? And be really careful about where you put your keys and all that stuff. But at least people aren't getting their money like just ripped off, right? To send off to some other account. At least it's so. But yeah, I for my futures accounts, I never keep my biggest bags on there, right? It's all about taking profit out of futures, moving it to spot. That's how a profit is not a profit until you move it to spot. That's the way I look at it. So you keep your working capital. You keep your working capital on futures. And then you move your profits. It can be 50% of your profits, 25%, whatever, how much you want to compound. But you move your profits off into spot to really secure them. And the other thing I'll say about that is we got Daisy in SDP group who has this Daisy auto transfer, which basically automatically transfers your profits out of futures into spot. At whatever interval you want.
Something with Wick Hunter? Didn't she
Yeah.
have something like that set up with Wick Hunter too? Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
remember that.
she's in Wick Hunter and in so STP, and yeah, so that's a good solution. And actually, Profit Trailer has that function built in, which I think is amazing. They have the take profit stuff built in. So again, if you really want to go for something amazing, install Profit Trailer Manager. This will allow you to rip a whole bunch of bots on your VPS and give you a nice overview of that. And then yeah, you get a nice system in there. Right?
So do you have a different bot for each pair? Is that what it is?
No. So the nice thing, right? We call this like a composite bot, right? So basically, you set up the bot once, and you can send any number of pairs to it, as long as it's on Binance Futures. In this case, you can send any pair you want to it. Like you can see in the sales, right? You can see like I got ARB going, Matic going here, a lot of Matic going. It's going nuts. AVAX.
Hey,
right?
for Americans,
Link.
how would we do this? Because they're real strict on Binance now.
Oh yeah, so it's not just Binance, right? Like you can trade Finandi if you want to get into the Binance liquidity. That's a really good platform. Yeah, like MEXC. There's some of them that are working in the US, but it's like if you find an exchange that works, then enjoy the gravy train while it lasts, right? They're getting shut down, right?
Yeah.
One by one. So whatever's working for you. Same in Canada, right? I'm in Canada, so like every second day something's getting banned, right? It's
Wow.
it's terrible. They're just a bunch of Luddites here. They don't understand crypto. Yeah, man.
It's basically a liberal fucking country, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, they're just like Canadians can't manage their own risk. We gotta protect them from themselves. Like what the hell?
Yeah, right.
You know?
Hey,
I hate that shit.
Are we done? I got an interesting development here.
Yeah,
on
go,
Filecoin,
do
on
it.
Filecoin,
We had a lot of-
right?
Filecoin, I was just looking at Filecoin.
Filecoin looks ready to do some stupid shit. All right, so what do we got going on
I
Filecoin?
might have to add along.
Yeah, this would be the place to do it. So Filecoin right now, as you guys know, we broke out of this wedge here. We hit $5. Back tested it, consolidating here. This looks like a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern here. You guys see this?
Shit.
Yeah, buddy. And the 4-hour chart is showing us right now we're gonna get an oscillation up. This is probably the bottom of this structure. The 4-hour.
When you do your futures, it's USDT pairs, right? On Pancake.
Yeah, man. You need to get on this train, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah,
I'm
decentralized.
literally right
Yeah.
now. I'm trying to, but on this computer, the streaming is fucking up the computer because I'm on my
That's okay.
slow one in the room.
Well, let me know.
So the node squeeze band on the 8-hour flashed beautifully at the bottom of the band here. A deviation outside the band usually is some sort of bottom, and we hit the bottom of the range. So you can see
He's getting hard right now, dude. He's getting
3 higher lows. We got 3 higher lows.
But
3
hands
higher
up,
lows.
Evan. Hands up.
Hands up.
Let me see them hands. I don't trust it. We got a fallen
Learn
wedge
to
here.
masturbate
Uh-oh.
with his feet.
No, this is more of a pennant, right? So but yeah, you can see the 3 higher lows here, right? And it's holding the trend line pretty good. And you know, this type of movement, we could see the asset go up about 15% on a break. So it's at the bottom of the triangle. This is a low risk place to take a trade on something like this. That when it goes on its wedge break,
You talked me into it.
It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. It's gonna be a big movement.
I gotta turn on my VPN real quick. I'll be right back.
So, Node, where did you originally make the call on File? Where on
Down
Filecoin?
here at like $3.
Nice.
Yeah, the bottom of the wedge. Yeah.
That's the way to do it. Double bottom.
Weekly double bottom. Yep.
Whew.
Look at the weekly, right? Look at the wick. Beautiful. Just touched it.
Love
it. This thing hasn't even really done anything yet. The supply zone really is around that $10, $11 region. So I think you can swing this to $10, $11.
Yep. Okay. Let's do
Swing
it.
it to $100.
You could long term, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a. Yeah, I mean
Fuck,
TP
man.
along the
That's
way,
so
man.
crazy.
But
That's so
Mhm.
crazy, dude. Synthetics looks like it's about to fucking rip, dude.
Look at the
Oh,
monthly
my God.
squeeze on Filecoin. Okay, there it
Yep.
is.
Filecoin.
There it
Yep,
is.
I
There
got
is.
it. I got
Yeah,
it.
this looks This absolutely looks like it's gonna do some stupid shit. Yes.
This is how we roll, baby.
SNX, yeah, man, I love that coin, man. I know I bought it. I think at the first bottom it made, and I
I think this has such massive, like, violent moves, dude. It's just like
It does.
it's just
That's
right.
crazy. Yeah.
Look at the
Oh,
look
my
at the look at this beautiful chart here on Synthetics, man. This is
Yeah.
you know consolidating
Yeah.
right at the 618 here.
It loves
falling
that
wedge.
channel. Look at that.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man.
It's so beautiful.
Double,
You just want to.
right in the pussy.
double bottom, right? The breakout and the back test off the 618. This
Love
right
it.
here is this is just
Yep.
this is a trader's dream. This chart right here, swing trader's dream.
There you go.
Look at the swing. Look at the 2-week squeeze on this thing. This thing's gonna explode, man. This thing is going to explode.
Like
Yeah.
someone that fucked right in the pussy.
Which
There you
one?
go. The
Yeah, which
2-week
synthetics? Oh yeah.
synthetics,
Yeah,
2-week
I mean,
80x cross. You can see the momentum is just starting to go up here on the this oscillator right here is indicative of the price movement.
He said
Momentum.
indicative.
What you say?
You're getting the black
Oh,
sheep all
man.
excited.
Wait a minute. So the STP volatility indicator is about to spike up here on the 2-week chart too. We haven't seen a volatility spike since February, and this was this move right here on this 2-week. So we get some volatility coming in. This was a 100% candle on a 2-week chart. So you think we get a volatility spike here? You're looking probably at a big move, right? So pay attention to this one. You got some coiling going on the RSI down here. It looks like a bottoming type of structure, right?
No.
See momentum shifting. Right. This is a good post for trading view right here. I should probably just do it.
All right.
Maybe after the stream.
Oh
I'll do it.
man. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, well.
I'll like it. Oh yeah.
Well, maybe
Yeah,
I can maybe I can
Have
take
fun.
the maybe I can take the segment from your stream and we can make a short on it or something.
Yeah.
Maybe you could do
all
that
right.
for me. That'd be sick. That'd be sick. Do a short.
Yeah. We can do it.
Nice.
I haven't figured out how to do
Sure
it.
like
yeah.
your dick.
Oof.
Ooh shit.
Black Sheep, I was watching your shorts on your truck there. Your
Oh, yeah, you like my
your
truck?
TRX.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah,
sweet,
dude.
man. The launches.
Yeah, it's got 1,200 horses on the 85, twin turbos and a supercharger.
Speaking of
Fucking
small
stupid.
dicks,
Hey, Black Sheep, do you have an account set up on Swing Trade Pros, man?
Yeah, I have. I just haven't logged in forever. I gotta
So
figure out.
you should log in. I wanna give you a percentage for affiliate, so people can sign up
Okay.
under your link, and you can earn commission that way. You should do that.
Yeah, I'll just I'll get after the stream. I'll get on there, set it up. I have an account. I've got to remember the email or whatever. It was an email you got to log in with.
Yes.
It's been like 2 years since I logged in, since I was using the bots and stuff. But yeah,
Yeah, we've been around a long time, man. 4 years in
Yeah.
crypto is a while.
yeah. I've been in since May of 2017.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, started this Telegram group in December, and then so the rest is history.
Yeah, you guys got a big group, man. And I appreciate you letting me, call stuff out in your
Yeah.
channel for free, and
For
I
sure.
appreciate that, man. That's good.
Yeah,
Really
we're
good.
all
You got
about
the Node
networking, man.
channel. Mm-hmm.
yeah, we got the no chat.
Yeah,
no
man.
calls.
You guys,
Are you in our Telegram? Canadian?
Yeah,
What's your
yeah,
name?
of course. Yeah, yeah.
What's your name again?
yeah, he came
Alex,
in today.
Alex.
Remember,
Alex,
I said
yeah,
I
that's it.
saw that, and I was like,
Okay,
oh, great, who's this guy gonna shill to? I was ready to send him to PCM.
right.
Yeah, I'm totally just a bot. That's all.
Right on, dude. Oh yeah.
Man,
What is that? Oh, synthetics.
This
Yeah,
is such a structure, man.
fuck, dude.
Look at the monthly, dude. This is
That's
just
the monthly, right?
pin bar. Look at the pin candle on the monthly here. I mean, like this right here
Oh my
is
God.
some crazy double bottom monthly double bottom.
It's a power bottom.
Yeah,
If that's not signaling to you it's something that's about to go on, I don't know what's
Yeah.
going on.
What's the
I mean,
stochastic RSI look like on the low time frame, like 4 hour, that kind of thing?
4 hour. I mean,
It's
yeah,
topped out. Yeah.
it's fine. It can still run up here because look, go to the 8 hour and the daily.
Yeah.
chart.
Show me how. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Lots
This
of
thing
room.
is gonna rip, dude. Yeah.
Mhm.
Look at the
Yeah.
12 hour just
Woo!
taking up daily. I mean, the daily is getting a reset. So
How was
But
our ape coin, by the way? I got out of that one. I haven't looked at it. in a couple of days.
that thing is such a shit coin, dude. I'm sorry
Yeah.
about that one, man.
No,
You
it's
made- you
okay.
made-
I
you
got
made money.
out in profit, so
Yeah,
I'm
you
good.
made
I
money
made
on it.
some
You made money on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made a couple grand on it, I think.
Nice. I mean,
That was one-
yeah,
that was
it
one of the
did
big
break.
trades,
It did break this structure here, and then it's trying to find a bottom here. It looks like, but it didn't break the major structure, so it can just go
Okay.
sideways. So much room here for it to do nothing burger for
Yeah.
a while. Yeah, it's not like drip
Yeah,
where it's about to break the trend line. You know.
I mean, it's Bored Ape Yacht Club. I mean, they're I think they've come and gone. I mean, honestly, I just don't think there's too much hype left for it because people, dude, we had like
Yeah.
celebrities buying fucking NFTs for like millions of dollars and they're worth like 30 grand now
Right.
or something. Like,
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
NFTs are so wrecked now. For sure.
Yeah.
So,
dude,
but
Florida-
that's because of what I bet you when we get into like phase 2 and 3 of this bull market, NFTs are going to be full swing. So
that's what I think. I think they're gonna have another cycle.
we
But,
are because
yeah.
of you guys know that I'm super bullish and long flow, right? Because this is my NFT
Flow.
NFT blockchain that I'm investing in because
Oh shit.
of
Yeah.
all the
Hey guys, I
partners.
gotta jump off here.
Okay, cool.
Because
We'll see
this
ya.
computer lags too much. I
It's all
don't want
good,
to.
Nice chilling with you, Shane. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, dude.
Yeah, that's why
See you
it's
later.
lagging too much. Yeah.
All right, Danny.
Yeah. He's got. Looks like he's not alone.
correct.
Oh.
So yeah, my NFT plays. Oh yeah, we bought those Zen NFTs, right? Those should be
Yeah.
good actually. Those are gonna be good.
Yeah, if Zen ever does anything, how's Zen looking?
It looks like it bottomed out. Looks good.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just concerned about the liquidity because there's like $1 million in there, and it's got to do something at this point.
It's literally at the bottom of the range.
Okay, might be a good buy
Good
then.
R&R there, man.
Very good risk to reward here. Start minting some NFTs here. Mint some NFTs here. This is where you
Yeah.
do it when it's at the bottom. Get the best price.
No, the price of that doesn't matter because it's
Oh.
a gas price on Ethereum. You're getting it for free, but you have to mint it with.
I mean, dude, look at the
with,
squeeze on this thing. This is insane, bro.
Yeah, it definitely looks good.
This is on log scale, and you can see that squeeze.
Yeah.
That's silly, dude. This thing's gonna do some
Yeah.
stupid.
That's
pump.
interesting when you go log scale. It gives a very different kind of view, right?
Well, this
More
asset,
definition.
this asset is so wrecked that you have to
It
kind of
has to
look
go
at it
up.
on a log scale, right? This thing is
Mhm.
literally just going to do one of these. It's probably going to do one of these things right here,
Yeah.
like a fucking shit
Oh, wow.
coin move, like stupid.
That'd be crazy.
I mean, look at the volume. Like
That'd be
it's
insane.
so receded here, right? Like there's a
Yeah.
big move coming. This is where it would come right here, right at the bottom of the
Yeah.
range.
What percentage are we looking at to that?
Stupid.
What?
Stupid percentage. I mean, I don't know. Is that possible? How many?
Dude,
how many?
Oh, man.
How many?
20,000
I've
X
been-
done.
I've been so surprised with what I've seen in crypto, man. I think anything's possible at this point, dude.
Mhm.
Like with just what happened with Hex, dude. I mean, it started at like a
Yeah.
fraction of a fucking. It was started at like 1 Satoshi, like
Bro,
fractions of a penny, right?
I think
So,
buying
went
spot
to
on
50
this,
cents.
on this coin down here is worth the risk. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this thing is trading a 6 on the 3-day RSI. Like, dude, this thing is literally only up. There's
Yeah.
literally only up to be had here. Like this thing is like, what is this thing? This is crazy. This is gonna create some major move.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. This
How
is
about
gonna-
yeah? Can you look at MZen real quick? It's Zen on Polygon.
Is that on TradingView? No, right? That's on a different.
It's either that or Deck Screener, but Yeah.
Yeah, let's
should
look
be
at the
on
fear
that,
and greed chart. Let's see what we're at. We're neutral. That means they can send the market higher. Okay, we're on a
Okay.
neutral standpoint in the market right now. That means they can send it higher right here. Perfect. All right, so Dex screener.
Yeah, MZen. I made like 30 grand on this one on that pump.
Sick.
Last big pump, and it's fully wrecked retraced right now. It's like it's lower than when I bought in. It's crazy how much it came down.
This one right here on Matic.
Yeah, that one. Yep. Oh well, we got a little fucking something. Yeah, check out the daily.
Yeah, dude, that looks fucking great.
It's wrecked, right?
So
It's
wrecked.
so wrecked.
The problem is
Yeah.
there's no support here. So I mean,
Yeah,
even if
there's
it
really
is
no
there-
liquidity. It's just
there,
but I mean, it
is
did have
that-
a-
is that
really
wrecked,
good
but
pump.
like, what did it retrace on this move? Is this like an 886 retracement or something?
It doesn't even reach down there.
No, it will. It's on. I need to put this on log scale. Yeah. So it
Oh,
did
there
a
you go.
six. It did a 618. So yeah, I mean, problem is you want to reclaim this range here. Otherwise, there's really you don't really know where it's gonna
Right.
go. That's the problem.
I don't know which chain is actually gonna conquer with Zen, dude. Yeah, I knew Cookies would chime in. Yep.
Stand it up.
Well,
Yeah.
I mean, the daily stochastics look pretty good here.
Yeah, right. Wrecked, right?
Yeah, it's
Scrolling around.
definitely in the zone to buy.
Huh.
Take a
Yeah,
stab
maybe.
because if it
Yeah,
rips back,
maybe.
if it rips back above this range, you could easily see
Yeah.
this thing just go back to the 618, and then this
Yeah.
would be like
What-
like a double bottom type of thing.
What's
even
the
though
measure
it
move
broke
on
the
that?
range. Back to
From
the
the bottom
back to the
that
618.
long?
Yeah,
Yeah, what
it's
is it? Yeah, it's it's ridiculous. What is that? 1,000% or
stupid.
I can't see it.
9,600%.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, almost 10,000. Shit, that's like what?
100x.
Fuck, it's 100x almost.
100x.
Yeah, 100x. Holy shit! You gotta love shit coins, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this does look. I mean, if you don't count this Scanwick where the asset got listed, like this
Yeah.
really looks like, you know,
Wow.
why can't I?
Oh shit!
Hang on a second.
You have to stretch it out.
Yeah.
So wrecked.
Yeah, you know it's so wrecked when you have to do that.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So I mean, like,
Well,
I would say this is like a cup type of structure, cup type of bottom that you would see before a major rally. Yeah, before a major move back up.
Yeah.
If there's interest in this coin, I don't know what
Yeah.
it does, but
yeah. Well, Matic sucks, dude. So I don't know. I mean, the chain itself, and with Zen in particular, it's
Hey,
hard to
don't be
mint shit.
don't be talking shit about my swing trade right now.
No. I'm just saying Matic with Zen because of the
kidding.
minting and shit. It's hard to mint. It's hard to fucking redeem. It's like it's so stupid. It's about
Oh,
gay.
really?
Yeah,
All right.
because you have failed
There you go.
transactions. You have the MetaMask hangs up forever trying to mint and trying to
Mhm.
redeem and shit. Stupid.
So I
Slippage as
would
well, right? You probably
I
have to
would
set it really
say
high.
I would say that from here to here, if this is the bottom of this move, that it'll probably retrace to the 618 of this move. So yeah, maybe to here. Okay, if it does get some volume and it does make a move, I would say that it could get back to this area here, which is still a 30x.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Look for,
Like I said,
look,
I made 30 grand on that run up right there, dude. It was pretty cool.
look for it to
Nice.
look for it to reclaim this level here. If it does that, then there's a really high likelihood chance that it will be able to get into the 38.2% retracement area into the 618. So you'll have a good shot at reclaiming these levels. If it does that.
Okay. Good to know.
That's just what the technicals say. I mean, I don't know anything about the fundamentals of this token or what they do. So
Yeah. Oh, everyone will take a 30x all day. VMPX?
VMPX.
Is that a?
Is that another
That's a
one of
coin,
these shit coins? All right.
Yeah.
This is a
It's
deck
part of the-
screener kind of thing, yeah.
It's part of the Zen ecosystem.
Okay,
Not really sure what it is. I think-
What is it paired? What are we
Definitely
looking
the
at?
top one. Look at the liquidity on those other ones, like
Yeah,
a dollar.
against Wrapped
Nothing.
Ether.
Yeah.
Oh man, dude, really? What do you want me to chart here? Dude? There's nothing here.
Straight down, straight up.
Am I getting trolled here? Like, what is this?
I know, right?
But I mean, if you
Oh,
do look at this,
So
does
funny.
looks like some sort of bottom, right? Yeah, I mean, like,
As long as the bottom doesn't drop out on these, right? That's what you're looking for.
yeah. So I mean, this is holding it's the bottom of this range very nicely. I don't know what this coin does or anything either, but just looking at this, you can see that you're really close to a range break here, and a measured move just on the data that I have is about a 25% move versus ETH, Wrapped ETH. But yeah, I mean, if this is the bottom, then yeah, you could see this run back up to this candle body high up here at 27. So that's almost a 6 or 7x versus ETH here.
Wow,
That looks great.
that's crazy.
Question is it going to outpace XRP ETH? Because that's where my money's on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, enough of these shit coins. Let's go to a real coin.
Yeah, let's go to Trading View.
Yeah, let's
Something that's actually on TradingView. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to Trading View. So XRP,
XRP. Nice little.
XRP ETH, right? We are at the top of this range against ETH. I'm gonna call that last move right there a fake breakout because it retested here and then dumped right back into the structure. So you can see,
Yeah.
I would like to call this a bottoming type of rectangle or a structure like that because of what the monthly candles are showing and monthly RSI is looking like. So you can see the monthly RSI just
Nice.
coiled up beautifully here. I mean, I'm on log scale on this. I'm going to turn it off log scale, but you can see the squeeze on this is just pretty insane incoming here for XRP. Big move coming for XRP versus ETH here. Yeah, I mean, I should probably be dumping more of my.
I'm long shit on XRP. I got like $2,000 in that trade. So
that's gonna be lit. That's gonna be lit.
Yeah, bro, I'm holding that one.
Yeah. XRP versus the dollar looks absolutely immaculate on the monthly chart. Yeah, just a work of art is what it is. I mean, look at the monthly MACD divergence you had here. Just started building a positive momentum. This is for a swing trader, man. This is like a dream. This is a dream setup.
Yeah,
dream setup. Yeah. Sit back, relax, and watch the show. That's what we're about to do.
Yep. It's gonna be cool.
Next 6 months to a year, this is going to be pretty lit.
Oh yeah.
What else you guys want to look at? XRP.
What about INJ? How are we doing on INJ?
INJ, I'm a little concerned about right now because of
Really?
yeah, and the reason why I'm a little concerned about it is because it broke a major trend line, and it broke this trend line here. Okay, it just started breaking it. All right. I mean, we did deviate from it a little bit here, but I mean, what can always happen is if it holds horizontal support and it holds this range, it could try to rally back up here, and it would make sense that this would be a resistance here, right? This trend line.
Oh yeah.
So I'm watching this. I do like the structure. I still think that this major inverse head and shoulders pattern structure is valid until it breaks this low. So in terms of longer term time frames, like the weekly chart, I am a little concerned of this bearish divergence happening here on the weekly.
Well, I had a massive move, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
But you see,
June was so nice for INJ.
You can see though that this is looking like a flag, like a bull flag on the weekly. Yeah. So like even if it comes down a little bit on the RSI and we base out here and we hold this low, we can go overbought again, right? And then make a nice pump, right?
Nice spotting there. That on a bull flag on the
RSI.
That was good, yeah, man. Who sees that, right? Only Node.
I know, right?
Right.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll admit I TP'd a little bit at 9.5. Like it was like, that was a pretty good run. You don't want to just leave it all on the table.
I'm fine with leaving it on the table because my entry is really good. And I plan on swinging this throughout this cycle because I do think that if it does build up the momentum, I mean, the only thing that I don't like about this candle here on the weekly chart is that it looks like it is a not a dragonfly, but it's a hanging man type of reversal candle here, and you get usually these at tops of patterns. So yeah, I mean there is a chance that this can lose its range here for a bit with that divergence happening.
Okay.
But I think long term this is still going to be a great long term swing trade, and maybe it just does one of these where it comes down and retests the bottom of the range, and we just range here for a bit, and then maybe it breaks out.
Yeah, to me, like $6 and below is a decent buy zone.
If you remember, I originally thought that we were going to come down to that $4 range.
Yeah, we never did. We
never did, but that doesn't mean we can't.
Yeah, like in November or something, right?
Yeah,
I think November will be some good lows to buy in. Have your USDT ready.
I don't know, man. Everyone's expecting that, so that's the only thing that I'm thinking that we're probably going to get some sort of pullback after these major movements or impulses. But you zoom out and look at these charts on weekly and monthly charts; they look ready to rock, dude. So I mean, yeah, we're going to get lull periods during this phase one of the bull, and it's pretty boring, probably for the next maybe 100 days for Bitcoin, or maybe less, maybe 90 days. And then we're going to go into the next stage of the run where it starts breaking ranges. So 30K level is a pretty critical one for Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, I know.
And it's possible if we don't continue this rally really, then we'll just consolidate. So I'm not like bearish on this market. Like can't be with these monthly stochastics pointing up. Mm-hmm. Just look at Bitcoin on like the quarterly chart. That's what these fund managers are looking at. They don't care about weekly charts. They care about, hey man, where can I park my money for a couple of years? Well, you could park it right in Bitcoin, man. Look at the 3-month stochastics. I mean, like, what do you want?
Oh, wow.
It's at the bottom. Like, yeah, I mean, like this is, like I said, this is a trader's dream down here. I mean, this is why BlackRock, when they come in, it's probably going to be, like at the end of the year in January, like he's talking about. But that's because they're going to front run the halving. It's not going to be a normal cycle. We're going to see some stupid shit this cycle.
Give me the stupid shit.
It's gonna be the stupid shit. It's gonna be the stupid shit. We've only seen Bitcoin perform after a halving cycle. I think it might get front run, dude. What happens if BlackRock dumps 2% of their capital into Bitcoin? Like, what happens if they do that?
I know.
Crickets? No, man. Trillions of dollars would come into this market. BlackRock has what? Like a I don't know, how many trillions of dollars of assets do they run? They run trillions.
Yeah, they're managing fucking shitloads of assets.
Yeah, man. 1% or 2% of these guys, pension funds or any of these big funds that just allocate a small percentage to Bitcoin, forget it.
Yeah,
it's gonna send this market to the moon. So
yeah.
Well, right now they're artificially keeping BTC beat down, right? Remember what I was telling you? Like the S&P is pumped while BTC is just hovered.
It's being manipulated. Yes.
Yeah.
100,000.
Do you mind if I share for a sec? I just wanted to show a chart here.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. This one is I was talking to Note about this before. It's if you look at BTC versus S&P. Can you guys see what I'm doing here?
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see S&P has been pumping while BTC is just holding right here, and it's not. And it's
do
not
me a
pumping.
favor. Compare gold versus BTC.
Well, yeah, I mean this is something I found on Twitter, but this is something once BTC runs, right, it's got to catch up. So it's going to be some insane pumps.
It's lagging behind the S&P. Yeah.
Yeah. Whereas all the time before, right? It's so closely correlated. Yep. So, Yeah,
Huh.
no, I think that was really interesting. You know, this is really being artificially manipulated at that 30K. You know, those whales don't want us getting above 31.5, 32, right? They're just
Yeah.
keeping it beat
Well,
down.
soon those whales are going to be out whaled.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The hedge
I know.
fund whales are going to beat them for sure.
So,
Snatch it up.
did you want to look up gold versus BTC node, or
Yeah,
Yeah.
show us. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. I'm curious.
Yeah, share. Don't forget to share.
The gold, the physical gold versus the digital gold. Let's see it.
Yeah, Mr. Big is talking about the LTC halving on August 2nd. It'd be nice to see that
yeah.
bump for sure.
Nice.
All right, so Bitcoin. You want a comparison chart, or should I just do Bitcoin versus gold?
Yeah, AUG, right? Or is that what it is?
Hang on.
Do a comparison. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
Gold. Yeah.
Fuck.
Too many alerts. I got the same problem. I think I have like 360 something alerts.
Why is it doing it in percentage? I don't want that. Well, I guess it's fine. Gold doesn't even touch Bitcoin in percentage. Just looks like a dead asset.
Wow. Oh, that's gold right there. Okay.
It's just
No, yeah, you're gonna have to do it with price or something.
Wow.
I'm doing it with
What
price
the
now.
hell?
Yeah.
It's just smashing all over gold.
Yeah, let's invest in
Wow.
crypto.
Anyways, this didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to look, but yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, gold sucks in comparison to Bitcoin. It's not even close.
Imagine that.
Yeah, it's not even close.
I like
Well,
that
it's
pi
outperforming
cycle
it.
bottom thing you got going.
Yeah,
That's
it
pretty nice,
catches
eh?
all the
Wow.
bottoms. Yep. It's pretty good.
Wow.
One trade a cycle, easy.
Right? Just ape. And then ape again.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the bottom called there. Boom, right on the bottom.
Wow.
This bottom came in. Well, this right here was the capitulation. So like, it thought this was the bottom, which was still pretty good. I mean, you would have been in,
Was that? Oh, that was COVID? Or?
No, this is the 2018 cycle for ETH.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
I know we had a big dip around there.
I think ETH is going to break out of this rising wedge to the north side. Yeah. I have this range circled here for ETH for this cycle. Maybe it doesn't get a breakout. Maybe it does a fake break to like 14K and then dumps.
Mm-hmm. What happened to ETH 2.0? Right, give me my 10K ETH. What's up with that?
It's coming.
Yeah, next year, right?
2 years. Someone's talking about Litecoin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Litecoin is in a nice structure, man. Just grinding up the channel.
Yeah, people are
Yep.
accumulating for the halving, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks nice, man. Monthly, got a nice cross here. Looks good. Your Stokes are already kind of up here, but you got some separation. You can run for a few months here.
Huh.
Yeah, Litecoin looks good.
Wow.
Lots of assets on the board right now, guys. When is Algorand going to do something, man? This thing is just fucking wrecked.
I know. I got a position. Just waiting.
Yeah, same. I got a spot position. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is still the bottom of the range. Not sure I like that call on the bottom here for bicycle bottom. But this chart doesn't have a lot of data, so it's okay. But yeah, this
Do you want to talk about Elephant and Trunk and all those? How those do?
yeah, Elephant's crushing it. Still crushing it. It's just continuing.
Whoa!
continuing. It's just continuing to make its movement. Yeah, for sure.
Coming back,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, BT posted his P&L and is up like 200K or something.
Yeah, we just had a meeting with him. He's helping us design something for our next adventure.
Nice.
Post.
Can't get someone better than that, man.
Yeah. He's the man.
This is just skating along the channel, man.
Yeah.
I will say it is very extended on the weekly. But you know what? This is like it's programmed to just buy elephant.
Yeah.
So like
It's just buying itself up.
it just auto buys.
Mhm.
So our technicals aren't going to really play out to
Market manipulation
Ooh,
at its
there.
finest right here.
definitely market manipulation.
Mhm.
I mean,
Oh man.
this is a big cut pattern on the quarterly chart, though. Huge cut pattern. Look
Nice.
at that. That looks pretty good. The move is literally, there's nothing here. It's straight down. So it's just going to go straight up to 4,700.
Wow.
Mhm.
Nothing here.
Was this
No
like a
resist-
3x
no.
from here, I think?
It's a double up-ish.
Yeah.
And then if you break that, you're looking at from this low to this high, another 676% move. So yeah, the top of the channel, and look at that. It's perfect. It's 636% right to the 1.414 fib extension.
Oh yeah.
Maybe another year later on that, like slow grind up. And then your parabolic move after you break the top. Nice, Mr. Big.
That's a nice anniversary present. Very nice. 10 LTC. To the
Should
moon,
have bought her
man.
10. Should have bought her 10 Bitcoin. You cheap fuck.
So I'm not gonna lie, I bought this shitcoin right here. I put $500 into
What
it.
is? Oh, Rubik. Nice.
Rubik, yeah.
Well, it looks good.
It looks like it's ready to rock, man. Look at the squeeze on the 2 week. That looks pretty interesting to me. What's that? Okay, enjoy. Yeah, this looks great.
Nice.
Lots of assets in these types of movement, in these types of structures right now, Alex. I know you're seeing it, dude. I know you're seeing this stuff, man. This one, Karura Network, is another one. This is like a dot ecosystem play. $8 million market cap. Like, these baby coins are just gonna moon, dude. Like, they're just gonna.
Yeah, especially Dot.
Yeah, this is a dot ecosystem play. This is gonna be big.
Mhm.
I think this is working on double bottom right here on the weekly chart. Check
I
it out.
can't believe how low the price of Dot is still. Like, what is happening
Right.
there, man?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
definitely it's undervalued, man. It's undervalued.
It's crazy. Like, I remember last cycle, you'd be like, Dot under $20. Amazing. I'm buying it.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's Trunk. Trunk's trying to break its channel here.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Well, Trunk's got a bunch of divergence going on. It's
It
just-
does. It's also it's in a squeeze too.
Yep.
I mean, but this is supposed to be a stable coin, right? So like,
Yeah.
just saying.
Hey, it's stable at like 15 cents.
Yeah, I guess that's saying something.
Yep. Yeah, I'll get it back. It's just we're waiting on Bertha to get a little bit fatter.
Nice. Is there any sushi?
He's got like 60 million in liquidity, man. It's got more hex or more liquidity than hex on Ethereum and fucking Pulse chain.
I'll take it.
I don't know where the fuck
Nice.
it all came from, but it's there. It's basically more liquidity than I've ever seen in a DeFi project. Stupid.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
craziness.
Yeah. And then it's back to BNB. So when BNB makes, how's BNB looking? What do you think? Got any targets for that? Because that'll just send elephant fucking.
Honestly, man,
skyrocketing.
BNB doesn't really look too hot down here.
Is it like weak? Yeah.
Look how
Price
this
is always-
bottomed out. That's
Weekly
what it is.
ADX,
Like-
bears are in control of the asset right now.
Oh.
This is bear
Wow.
flagged for sure.
That's
Right here.
facts, dude. That thing could just plummet.
That gives me heartburn hardcore. Yeah, it could. If it breaks the bottom of this range, I mean, we could see some really
Wow.
bad shit happen to Binance.
$20. went that low, but yeah,
I mean, we could see here.
yeah.
That means something awful has happened to Binance if that happens. But
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, yeah. Black
I wouldn't-
Swan event, right?
I wouldn't put it past
Yeah.
the U.S. government to try to shut them down.
I mean, they've already tried how many times,
What's
right?
that?
They can only shut them down in the U.S. though.
They're-
They're never going to be able to completely shut them down. You know?
That's the thing. Yeah, they're everywhere.
No.
Thank you.
They got a head off. They got a head office ready in whatever offshore country you want.
It's in Malta, I think. It's in Malta.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, if they get shut down one place,
Yeah.
they got another place ready to go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're not going anywhere. But yeah, it might affect the price of BNB for a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If the U.S.
I could have bought that
government-
at $2.
If the U.S.
I could've bought it
government
at
wants to
$2
fuck them, they're gonna
fucking
fuck them,
launch.
dude.
Yeah.
If the U.S. wants to fuck them, they're gonna fuck them.
Hmm.
Just saying, dude.
Yeah.
Binance has no idea what's coming for him. And if they want to fuck him, they're gonna fuck him.
CZ.
Mm-hmm. But
You could probably just pay them off. Whatever.
the 2 week hit the bottom of the band here, so we could see this go up a bit in the next couple weeks.
Yeah, I remember when BNB first launched, it was like I missed the 20-cent entry, but
I got in at
I saw
$1 in that wallet.
I know I could have put. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you were in at $1.
Yep.
Yeah,
Fuck my life.
that's right. Yeah. Fuck.
Actually, my friend Bobby, Alex, you know Bobby.
Oh yeah.
He
Yeah.
put one ETH into BNB when it was $1. When ETH was $400. When ETH was $400.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow.
One ETH worth. But he's got. So that means he's got like what? 50 BNB or something?
Oh wow.
Yeah, I mean he's never gonna fucking. What is that? That's like
Well, 400 BNB if it was at $1.
Yeah.
No, because he rolled ETH for it. So I don't know. I don't remember what ETH was at. But he only put $400 in. Maybe it is 400 BNB.
It was probably a good trade.
So what? He's up 100K if that's what he's got. I don't think he has that many though. Maybe it was less. I don't know.
That's the thing, right? You got to hold for a long time.
I mean, this dude didn't sell anything last cycle either, man. Bobby didn't sell anything. But yeah,
That's shitty.
here you go.
How
There
the
you
fuck did
go.
your wallet get hacked? Did you get fished or something?
I got fished for sure. I don't even know how it
Oh.
happened. I just woke up one day and my wallet was empty. I was like, "What the fuck?"
Oh my God.
Man.
Wow.
Yep.
That's shitty.
Yep.
I had
That's
like,
why I
I've
use
never-
a hardware wallet, man.
bro. This is before hardware wallets. I had a fucking. I bought ETH at $40 and I put 5K into it. I remember. So I had ETH. I think I had like what 200 ETH or something. 5,000 BNB tokens on that wallet. I put $5,000 into BNB. At an hour. Yeah, bro. I was not happy that day. It was not a good day.
Yeah,
At
I wouldn't be either.
the time though, it was like $50,000 worth of assets, but you know, man, I've been
That's
fucked
shitty.
so much in this space. Seriously,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah. Who needs sex when fucking crypto fucks you all the time, right?
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why I use a hardware wallet with MetaMask, man. Like I've seen it. I had a buddy of mine who was in what's it called? Blue Planet or something. They have Red Planet and Blue Planet. I can't.
I knew
remember
that was a
what it's called.
fucking Ponzi when you said that.
Yeah, but he had like 600K in there, and he logged in at work on his Wi-Fi with MetaMask, and next day gone. And when I heard that, I was like, it's hardware wallet o'clock. So every time I do a MetaMask,
Are you sure he didn't click on
transaction?
some shit? He clicked on some shit.
I don't know,
Yeah.
but
Well,
it was a Wi-Fi
talking
thing, I think. But
yeah, we were talking about it earlier. Somebody logged in on some hex whale. Cookies brought it up. He logged in on an airport fucking Wi-Fi, dude. By the time he got on the plane or something, all his fucking hex was gone, like 500 million hex or some shit.
oh
gone.
my god,
Yeah.
yeah,
Like, that's why I don't log in any public
Mhm.
Wi-Fi's. I
yeah.
don't fuck with that shit.
I don't bring my crypto anywhere. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't even
I
use
don't
your crypto on your phone or anything, right? Yeah.
Nope. I mean, I have Coinbase on my phone, but I don't keep anything on Coinbase. The worst thing thing that can happen is they can hack my Coinbase and like fucking rip all my funds out of my bank account. I guess that's a risk, but that's FDIC insured though if they do that.
Yeah.
MNK.
There's the pup.
Yeah, you want pop up.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh. Mr. Big, did
My
you
fur
get in
baby.
this penny fucking shit stock here?
I don't know if I should. I can bring up mine. Now, get up. Get up.
You got a fur baby too?
Mine's bigger. Oh.
Oh shit! It's way bigger.
Yeah.
You see
This
a
is
pup?
Belle. No,
Oh, wow.
she's 3 years old.
See a puppy?
Yeah.
Look at the puppy. Aw.
Aww. Goldens are so beautiful, man. I love golden retrievers.
Yeah. She's the best, man.
Dude, this
She's just putting up with this, even though I'm like manhandling her right now. She's just giving me
Right.
a laugh.
Mike, this stock is in a pretty big setup, dude. Fucking hold it. It's probably gonna go to the top of the wedge. $4. Why not?
Yeah. That's a big ass dog, dude.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's like 80 pounds, something like that.
Yeah, definitely not a lap dog.
Oh, she wants to be, man. When I'm on my lazy
Yeah.
boy, she just
shit.
jumps up on me. I'm like, she's walking on all the wrong places. Let me tell you.
Right? Oh man, that's funny. Hi, BB. Did you have a good day?
Come on, man. I fucking rip it.
Yeah, we'll go a little bit, okay? You looking at MNK or what? Whatever. What do you got?
Yeah, MNK stock I was just on it. It's a
It's
massive.
good. Oh, okay.
Dude, look at the monthly, man. Or the weekly. This looks stupid.
Yeah.
Holy shit balls. How do you find these fucking shit stocks, dude? This is crazy. Dude, look at this wedge, man. Look at this. Look at this candle, bro.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's looking nice. Like,
This is gonna rip, dude. Stay in this trade, bro. This thing is gonna go straight to $7. Yeah, why not? There's a gap here. How about that? There's a gap. It's gonna fill this gap at 240 and then pull back. They marked the chart.
Wow. They marked it, huh?
It's marked for sure.
It's priced in.
Gaps usually get filled. This is an area right here on this GFAI, right? So this gap filled this $9 gap here, or it almost filled the whole gap. I have alerts set up here for the gap fill, but I think this is going to cup out. This is making making a cup and a handle type structure. Yep. And then the 618 is where I'm going to look to exit the position. I bought this around $4 and change.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, look at the volume signature there. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Man, I love charts, dude. I don't know what I would do without these things. I'm so obsessed.
you can do a 5-hour stream, 10-hour stream. He'll still be going.
I'm stuck on them all day.
Well, Chris, you've learned a lot from what I've.
Yeah, man, you taught me a lot, dude, for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some fruit. I'll be right back.
All right, cool.
How old is your dog, Black Sheep?
She'll be 4 in October.
Yeah, my dog's 3.
Oh, okay. It's a puppy.
Yeah, take her to the dog park every day, man. That's where she feels like a real dog.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, I don't take her out much because it's so hot here in Vegas. I can't really go anywhere during the day.
Oh yeah.
We go on our nightly walk,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, night is good, man. Yeah, cools down, right?
It's funny. Last night I had the I was playing music on my phone. And I was screaming along to Pantera. You know that walk.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah. She starts running to the door. She's like, "We're going outside."
She knows it. She knows it's coming.
Oh yeah, dude. There's nothing stupid about this Westie, that's for sure.
You guys get cherries out there, Chris?
Cherries? What do you mean?
Yeah. I don't know. We get like some really
Oh,
good
yeah.
shit.
Oh yeah. Every now and then I get them.
Alex, I know you probably get them, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're in season.
I like my cotton candy grapes. We're getting them all the time at Costco.
Oh,
now
yeah.
from
Yeah, those are
California.
good. Those
They're
are good.
amazing.
Yeah, I don't know how the hell they made cotton candy flavored grape. This
It's insane. They're so sweet.
yeah, they taste just like cotton candy.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
I don't buy them. They're too sweet for me.
Too
Oh,
sweet.
really?
Yeah. So cherries are sometimes they're a little tart, but they're sweet. These cherries are sweet.
And now we got the BC blueberries going on. Those are amazing, man.
Mm.
That's, we get from the West Coast. They're so good.
Nice. Yeah, man. I live on fruits and meat. That's all I live on. And that's it.
No carbs. Cut the carbs out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, fruits are the carb.
Mm-hmm. That's
Well,
true. Yeah.
They're also the fiber, and they're also lots of minerals and antioxidants and whatever else is in these fruits.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Donnie's lit on his.
Oh yeah.
On his,
You guys can check out some of the indicators on our site, swingtradepros.com.
Yep.
And I gotta take care of some shit myself. I gotta do some chores around the house here. But I'll be back on the charts later, probably, or maybe
All right,
later
cool.
in the week.
We didn't call it then. It's been
Yeah.
fun.
It's been a lot of fun, man. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thanks for coming on, guys. Appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.
Chris, let us know if there's people that have questions or anything too. And then
Yeah, for sure. Well, we'll be.
cool.
You know where to find us.
let's get you let's get you set up first on the bot. Get you going with that.
Yeah, I want to check it out for sure. We'll
Nice,
just,
man.
yeah.
It'd be great to
Yeah.
set you up. Yeah, just
Yeah.
for our stuff, it's just swingtradepros.com. Check it
Yep.
out.
We got you. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Thanks for coming, and goodbye.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 shooting to the moon,
And go.
I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm. Let's go get palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm. Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm. Let's go get palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm, palm.
that my hemorrhoids ain't real, man. They real as hell.
And I'll tell you what, Wannabe Will, you can shove that shitcoin drip up your ass as far as you can.
Man. Hey, man, I shove Preparation H up there, man, because when I'm like powerlifting, I'm like,
make sure you use a little prep.
Pop out a little hemorrhoid, man.
The fucking faggots are sucking on the rod of power.
We're a normal country. We sell cars.
Can't fucking drive them though.
British countryside. Sometimes you can sit here for hours and look at it. Also, sometimes you have
No fucking choice.
You know what they say about people who live life in the fast lane, don't you?
They do not live in fucking England.
Oh, there's no traffic. The light's green. But hold on.
It's a fucking liner. Come on, go.
Here's a good joke. What's worse than being stuck behind a learner driver?
Being stuck behind two of the selfish pricks.
Do you want to live in London? Do you want to live life in the fast lane?
Good fucking luck finding it.
They say if you look at something for long enough, you'll start to love it.
Well, I'll be shoving my cock in a fucking brake light sandwich.
Why the fuck do they call it a rush hour?
Slow down, everyone. Calm down. It's not a race. Stop rushing.
It's so fucking
Americans
funny,
drive
dude.
on that side of the road. But in England, on this side of the road, you sit here and
Do fucking nothing.
got another joke. What have British people in a statue got in common? We literally never
Fucking move.
All right. Since we're in the Christmas spirit today, jingle bells, black sheep here to say, pace car found Nigeria and gave his keys away. Hey, Shane is gay, Ian J smokes his weed all day. Oh, what fun it is to watch the Black Sheep Show today.